is Lisa. I just want to show you how to embed these Google Docs into the course shell for BSc 2010L. Since you are teaching this course, you're going to need to know how to use the Google Doc feature. There are 2 assignments and 1 orientation that require Google Docs. So I just want to make this as easy as possible so you can just go ahead and get everything all set up and you don't have to worry about it for your students. All right, so in the actual course shell itself, I added a folder. If you're watching this video, it means that you've opened the folder that has the Google Docs in it. Those are copies of the actual Google Docs that are in the course, and they are there so you can download them onto your computer and then upload them into your own Google Drive. That is the easiest way to embed these in D2L to make them usable so you can access them both in class and outside of the D2L course shell for anything that you need to use for grading, scoring, that sort of thing. So in order to do that, you can download the documents. I've already have them downloaded on my own PC. I am going to open I'm going to open my Google Drive. So I go to Google, come over here to the little waffle, and I'm going to open my Google Drive. In my Google Drive, I have, a bunch of different folders, those sorts of things. I'm going to just create a folder here. I'm just going to leave it new folder so it's easy to find. And now I have my new folder. I'm going to open my new folder, click New, and click File Upload. This will open up my files here. So I'm going to go to my download folder. I have all 3 documents here on my computer. I'm just going to highlight all 3. I'm going to click Open, and this will automatically upload all 3 documents into this new file. Now let's say that the first file I want to replace in D2L is the Google Doc orientation file. I'm going to open this file. When you do this, my suggestion is to make a copy of each of these in your Google Drive and then relabel that copy for your class so that you can keep a record of these Google Docs over time. So I'm in this Google Doc. This says copy here, so I'm going to make this a template, whatever. I can retitle it simply by clicking on the title. Over here on the right is the share button. So right now, if I were to share this, this link up here in the address bar, nobody would be able to access it. So I need to come over here and I click share. In the share, under where it says get link, it says restricted. I need to change this so students can they can edit it. They can put their names in and fill it out. So I'm going to change. Click that blue change to anyone, and over here on the right, click the drop-down menu, and at the bottom, click editor. Now I'm going to copy the link. I click done, and I'm going to go to D2L. Now that I'm in D2L, this is when you are setting up your course, so you could go to content. This is my actual course here, so I'm not going to change it, but I'll show you how you can. So the students have this Start Here file, and they have Module 1 orientation. Here is the video for them, and then down here is the actual worksheet. Notice here that it's a link. So if I wanted to change this to link it to the document I just created, I'm just going to click this drop-down menu here. I'm going to click Edit Link. I would delete the existing URL, and I would then paste the current URL that I copied from my own Google Drive. This will now embed your copy of the document in D2L. In order to keep it embedded in D2L and not force students to open it in a third tab, deselect Open as External Resource. Make sure that this box right here is not checked. This will ensure that the document will open up inside of D2L so that when the students click on this link, they don't leave D2L. They stay within D2L, and they are then able here to edit. They can write their name in, and they can select their color and it should affect this graph in some way, shape, or form. So I'm just going to delete this here. There we go. And it'll give those colors there. This is not a graded document. This is just here for students to know that they can actually edit they can edit these documents inside of D2L, and they don't have to leave D2L. If you want to add a new document, let's say you come up with something and you want to add a new document, just be sure to add it as a link and make sure that it is not checked to open as a third tab, as open outside of D2L. And that way students don't have to leave D2L in order to complete the assignment. That's just an important pedagogy in online courses. The less they leave D2L, the better off they are. The more likely they are to complete the work and be more successful. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If you need any assistance at all, please don't forget, I'm going to show you where these are located. If you have this in your, actually if you're watching this video, you're already in that folder. So if you need any assistance at all, please feel free to reach out to me. My email address is lburgess, B-U-R-G-E-S-S, @broward.edu. I am here to help you, and I'm here to make this course better. And with your eyes and your assistance, you can help me do that as well. So I hope you enjoy the course, and I will see you around. Have a great day.